next is education history. Tapos, ang hindi ko alam is you actually have to provide from elementary. Akala ko ano lang, university lang.
Yeah, actually, I'm not sure if it's really required na parang ilagay mo. Pero parang kasi since it says history, so parang ako, I personally input yung from kinder. Lahat na, parang wala na silang tanong and wala nang gaps. Kung magtatanong pa sila na, kung ano kailan ka, nag-ulit ka ba or what. So parang, since hindi naman nila hihinga ng verification yung from kinder mo, so parang ako, nilagay ko lang. Tapos parang commonly asked question din is, kailangan ba yung date ng, yung parang start day ng school and end date, kailangan eksakto ba? Hindi. Approximate date is sobrang okay lang. Wala na, ako personally, wala ako naging problem. Lahat ng dates ko dyan, approximate kasi hindi ko na din naman talaga maalala. Yun. So, yun. Ako, nilagay ko na lang din from the very, very start. Tapos, may mga natatanong, what if nagpalipat-lipat ako ng high school, nagpalipat-lipat ako ng grade school, okay lang din yun, lagay mo lang lahat. Kasi ako din, personally, ang dami ko rin school from grade school to high school. So, nilagay ko din siya. Nag-change name yung school, pinalitan ko din. So, ayun, wala naman naging problema sa experience ko. Pagdating sa college, yun lang naman ang hihinga ng verification ng CGFNS kung saan ka graduate ng nursing. Tapos, meron din pala nag-share before na parang, like, halimbawa, what if 2 schools sila, parang first and second year nila sa ibang university and then lumipat sila for the third and fourth year nila. So, alin ang hininga ng CGFNS? May nag-share na ang hiningan lang ng CGFNS was yung third and fourth year. Pero meron din naman na nag-share din na hiningan both. So, medyo hassle for dun sa isa na hiningan both. Siguro, swerte nung, ako feeling ko lang, ako not an expert, hindi ko to alam, hindi ako taga CGFNS, but I'm assuming lang na siguro, baka in-include na kasi yung third and fourth year na pinagraduatean ng school, yung pinasa niyang syllabus or TOR from dun sa first and second year dun sa dati niyang school. Kaya mukhang complete na satisfy na yung, kumbaga satisfied na yung CGFNS dun sa syllabus or curriculum. But yeah, assuming lang ako. So, not sure.
Thank you for that information. Tapos, ang question ko pala, ito lang, I think you've already touched on this one, pero meron akong nakausap before, parang sabi niya, yun nga, when she was completing her profile, naglagay siya ng estimation start date and end date for her university sa nursing, and then nung na-print na yung mga forms, tapos binigay na sa school niya, iba naman yung date. So, okay lang ba yun na parang they tweak the date a little bit? Kasi, yun nga, yung nasa school, alam nilang exact date, pero siya, nag-estimate lang siya. Okay lang ba yun?
Yeah, I think, kumbaga hindi siya sobrang strict. Kasi alam nila na hindi na natin yan siguro naaalala. So, kung ano yung isubmit ng school, yun na yung nilalagay nila. So, ako, nung nakita ko din siya actually yung akin, iba yung start date ko kasi hindi ko na maalala yun, tsaka yung graduation date. Pero, nung nandun na siya sa form, at least, alam nung school kung anong date talaga ako nag-start. And kumbaga, mas alam nila yun kasi nasa record nila. So, okay lang yun, I think.
As long as same yung year, no? Parang okay naman yung year. Pag yung year yung medyo malayo, parang yun yung delikado.
Oo, tama.
So, yun. Just going back here in this information education history. So, the questions that they'll ask there is the name of your school, education level, address, country, website. May website ba yung school namin? And then...
Yung ibang Facebook eh.
Oh, talaga? Pwede pala yun. Zip code, start date, and end date. Ayan. Tapos, what's the next one? Oh, ayan nga pala, nursing. Shout out sa school ni Ma'am Nurse Ruru, FEU, Tamara. Okay, next. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and sharing my videos. As always, I wish you all the best with your journey, and I hope you will be blessed. I'll see you soon. Bye!